I was training dogs for 5 days a week prior to joining the Alliance team.
What does that have to do with manufacturing?
Absolutely nothing.
Would you say that there's a large barrier to entry in manufacturing?
I wouldn't say so, no. I mean, all it took was one text away, and I was here the next day with an interview, and then ever since then, just never looked back. We're not staring at the same stuff all the time, so I like it.
So what kind of projects are you working on day to day?
Projects I usually deal with, it's a lot of medical parts. We got into like the EV industry a little bit with like electrical batteries and stuff like that. And then now we're entered in like in the sector of like actually like building tools for certain customers, which is pretty cool.
Would you say that manufacturing is an essential part of business?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. It's like, if not the most essential in my opinion. So today we're just going to be doing a little bit of pad work. We're just going to make a little square, and then you're going to fill inside the square with some wire. And we'll get it started.
So Steve, the thing that you're going to show us today, how long should it take somebody to be able to get the hang of that?
To lay down some wire, I would say a day or two.
Day or two?
Yeah, a day or two.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so I always tell people to kind of hold it like a pencil, but me, I kind of hold it weirdly. So I only use these two fingers. The further more you're going to be out, the wire's going to jiggle. Closest you are to the end, no jiggle. So you have more control the closer you are to the end of the wire. I always like to start out with just like one shot, just to make sure I know where I am and I have a good starting point for my wire. And then I'll shoot it, and then I'll introduce it while I'm shooting, just to get it stuck. For me, I always think, like, because I played baseball, I caught everything with my left hand, so it's just, to me, my joystick in my left hand is just a lot more, like, just feels more normal than in my right hand.
Well, this should be easy for you with your left hand. That's your chord hand.
Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to not lose my fingers. That would be my win.
So a good note, you'll see your finger before you burn it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That builds confidence.
I'm in danger!